Welcome to Crafter's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to plant flowers in containers, and we'll be doing a few different containers. A variety pot for my front yard, which I like to use pinks and purples and light pinks, and then my backyard I like to use whites, and then also I have a lot of different containers I'm going to show you. So first let's start with the combo pots. I have a bale of dirt, and for those of you who've never bought a bale of potting soil, it goes a long way. And what you would want to do is grab a utility knife, and this is a trick my dad, Michael Cervello, taught me. You just slice around the center. Right behind me here, we used to have a greenhouse, a little commercial greenhouse, and we took it down this year, so a little bittersweet. We have some fresh grass there instead. The whole exterior, and then you just tip it over, and now I'm dumping it into a nice big container. We're just going to take a spade and break it up a little. You can go ahead and get your hands in there. It's nice and soft. Sometimes it's very hard. Just break it up with your hands. The water on. We're just going to hose it down. So I like to start my container pot with a spike. So this is just a grass, and it is just we call it a spike, and it'll just give it some depth, your container some depth. So I'll put right in the center, or very close to the center, and right next to it I'm going to go with a nice geranium. This is just it's called Patriot Salmon, so it's not really pink, but it's in that family, and it has a nice big bottom. So I'm going to give it a lot of room, press it right in there. You just squeeze the bottom of your pot here to help make that come out. And you just choose one of the sides to put your vinca vine, or any vine is fine. So impatiens are nice for my front yard because it's on a porch. It gets light, but it doesn't get direct sunlight. So impatiens like a little shade. So I'm going to go ahead and plant 2. Let's start with 3 and see how that looks. And then I also have some flowering vinca. So I'm going to go with a little different shade, more like a hot pink for that. And I think I'll go, actually I'm going to come over here with that, because I'm going to put one more flower in there. So I put 3 of those, and then I have this nice petunia, and that is also a vine. So I have my vinca on this side, and I have a petunia that will come down on the others. Maybe I'll throw in a light pink as well. Don't have a whole lot of spots, but I'll throw one light pink in the back. So here we go. Now in a couple weeks that'll fill in really nice, and it'll be beautiful. What I like to do in the back of my yard are some different colors. So I have these red pots. So I think this year I'm going to stick mainly to whites. So let's start off with our spike. Just like before, I'm going to go ahead and squeeze the bottom to help loosen that root out. And we're going to put the spike off to the side a little. And then we're going to add our geranium, just like before, a nice big flowering, big leafed plant that blooms all summer long. I'm just going to pop that right in the center. Look how pretty that looks already. We're going to add our vine, which is our vinca vine. And we're just going to pop that in one of the sides. And we're running out of space already because this does not give me, I don't have the width, the diameter of the other top. So then I'm going to fill in with, this is called, and this is for full sun, and it's called Calabreja Unique White. I'm sorry, my Latin isn't what it should be. So again, squeezing the bottom. Pop this on this side, and that should spread. That seems like a nice big plant. So I'm going to pop in some impatiens right in there. And I like to fill it pretty nice and full. So just making a hole with my fingers. This is nice wet soil. So already that's 4 plants. Here, 6. And I think 7 will do us. So when that fills in, the whole bird bath will be full of flowers. So that's all set. I'll put that off to the side. We have some begonias too. We could actually add the begonia to our flower down there if we wanted to. But this will be pretty right in with the difference in this gray with the red leaf and the pink. I think that'll be really pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and add the begonias to this one. And I do usually have my flowers all the same flower in these kind of containers. It just looks nice. And then I stack them together to give it variety. So that's container gardening with Carolyn. Hope you had fun. If you liked it, comment. Let us know how you think, what you think of our videos. And if there's something that you'd like to see us do, please let us know. And follow us on our YouTube channel at Gloucester County Library System. Thank you. Have a great day.